Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this Air France A340-300 here. This is by Phoenix Models. I don't think for sure that I own one of these yet. I might. I don't think I do though. I know I got an A330-200 Air France, so I know these may be retired now as of March 2026 here, but I know that these have been flying originally to Minneapolis and of course St. Martin, or St. Martin, however you guys would like to pronounce it, or SXM Airport, which I'll be setting up again very soon here on my display. But yeah, Phoenix Models here. Got this at the Orlando Collectible Show from Texas Airplane Store. Let's get this open and take a quick look here. As you guys can see, mint condition here. Wow, absolutely stunning here, guys. Let's gently set that on here. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I think this is probably my first one of these. Super cool. I've seen these at Minneapolis many times, and of course at videos of St. Martin. I've never been to St. Martin in person, but I know Mile High Aviation's there right now, so I hope if you're watching this, you're having a blast there. Also, check out these panels here by Brad Myers. Custom diorama panels here. I purchased this at Airliners 2025 in Atlanta. Super scale, guys. Some models you just see places and you just, that's the name of the game. You just pick it up. So that's what I did. Definitely maybe paid a good premium for this one, but this one was definitely worth it. And I mean, I know that most of these are being retired now, but I don't really it doesn't seem that old to me, I guess to say, seeing this. So I still will display this, of course, on my airports, because it's not it's not like it's we'd been retired for 10 years now, It's still pretty modern. I think they actually still fly a couple of these. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but super cool again. I know I already showed the bottom here, but landing gear looks great. Just a super cool plane. I think my favorite part of this is the engines. They're just super iconic. So let's get a nice good look here, guys. Trying to get back more into showing you guys more detailed airplane videos too. Look at that. Iconic, guys. Absolutely iconic. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The Air France A340-300 here. Phoenix Models Platinum Series. Absolutely incredible. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing here today. And we'll see you guys in the next video. I'll link Texas Airplane Store below. Of course, JH Wings affiliate link. And Brad Myers Custom Airport panels, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying and collecting. Model Airport Nation to you guys.